The prolific Parts Caddy is a convertible, versatile, and high-quality parts storage system that can keep you organized and save you time in your auto body or restoration shop. The optional Parts Caddy panel kit attaches easily to enhance the capability and storage of this stand. This system features heavy-duty construction and a strong and durable powder-coated finish and is available in 2 colors. Assembly is simple, requiring only hand tools. The uprights feature one-way tabs and slots that guarantee correct assembly. The Parts Caddy also features 4 high-quality locking casters, which give the stand great stability when loading. Assembling the stand takes about 20 minutes for the Parts Caddy, and a few minutes more if you have the Parts Caddy panel kit as well. The shelving features a powder-coated wire frame with smooth edges to minimize parts damage while in storage. The assembled shelves slip easily into the tabs of the uprights and give you multiple options for spacing. The shelves, when properly assembled and seated on the locking tabs, have a load rating of 150 pounds per shelf. Adding on with the Caddy panel kit only takes a few minutes, but adds tons of versatility. With another set of load-bearing locking casters, lanyards are included to hold the supports upright when not in use. Tubular supports to separate large panels and keep hoods and other sheet metal parts from being leaned against the walls. Additional parts are available for the Parts Caddy Pro stand, such as extra standard and medium shelves, a deep 9-inch shelf kit, the molding holder basket that mounts to the top, and an easy-to-read RO identification flag that can help track a job through the different repair stations. If you have more than one Parts Caddy, you can easily nest them together for storage while they're not in use. The shelves are easily removed and hung on a convenient tab, which allows multiple stands to take up minimal space. With the generously sized open shelves, you can easily see what's there and get to it quickly. The stand is designed to load directly from the delivery truck, which saves time and space in inventory and distribution. The long caster bars and steel supports give this stand a low center of gravity and the ability to hold many times its weight in parts. Locking casters give it additional stability. The prolific Parts Caddy helps organize your shop and keeps your parts off the floor. It lets you store your parts during the repair process and links them to a specific repair order. When not in use, the stand folds down and it nests with other stands for storage and easily rolls away, taking up a minimal amount of floor space.